pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. We have Boxycharm, and I believe this is the Luxe. I am so excited. If you're new here, hi. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video. I do hope you will stay, watch it, and decide at the end to subscribe. Okay, I'm dying to get into this. All right, so let's see. This is the one that comes quarterly that you pay $53.99 for. Yep, it is. It's Luxe. Woohoo! I am so excited to have this box. All right, let's see what's in here. Guys, are you excited with me? Oh my gosh, okay. Boxycharm, ooh, our card. It says bubbles and glitz. And it looks like the variation has like a bunch of numbers over there. I don't know what that means. All right, but we're gonna dive in here. Oh, I see a hip hop palette. Okay. Okay, the first thing I see is Luxy. Are these brushes? Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, it feels nice. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, look at that. I love Luxy brushes. I like the pink ones. The new periwinkle ones we got last time, not so great. But these, highlight, foundation, blending, shader, packing color, liner. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see what their value is because I know some of them are expensive. $85. A complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. Woo! I really like it. And it smells new, like the new case kind of smell. All right, so we're at 85 bucks already. Let's see what else we got. We've got a Hip Dot palette. All right, Hip Dot. Where are you, Hip Dot? Cenote Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. I probably said that wrong. And if I did, I'm sorry. Unleash your inner goddess. Ooh, through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of cenote and homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. In this hyper-pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. It has a retail value of $30. Okay. Let's get her out here. Why do they make these things like this? I don't understand. Like, what is this about? All right, let's push it. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's see her. Oh, she's pretty. It's got a mirror. Look at these colors. Wow. Lots of different types of blues and golds and some neutrals. Ooh. Okay. Do you want to see a look with it? Let me know. I did use the new Lisa Frank Morphe collaboration on my eyes today. I had so much fun with that. Okay, so we have an $85 brush set and a $30 palette. What's next? Sunday Riley, Good Jeans. This has an $85 value. Look at that. This multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the looks of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Okay. High potency formula exfoliates dull, pore clogging, dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. With brightening licorice, this super concentrated treatment also visually reduces the look of dark spots. I cannot talk. Dark spots and discoloration caused by exposure to the sun. All right, so and it instantly plumps the looks of lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. Get the heck out of here. 3 minutes? Shut up. All right, how do we use her? Oh, we just move her to the side. Okay, I'm going to spritz some out here. I don't really, it doesn't really have a scent, but I do love Sunday Riley stuff. It's very expensive. All right, weird. It's just like a lotion, but it's very light. Doesn't look like it clogged pores or anything like that. Okay, so that had an $85 value. Threesome. You guys got a threesome? Hot mess? Okay, what is this? Rockin Cosmetics? I've never heard of that. Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens. $40 value. It's a new launch? Ah, okay. Let's check. Ooh, okay, what do we do with these? Choose from one of these 3 intense shades. Viridin Green, Midnight Blue, or Beatnik Black. Blend all around the eye to create drama and sparkly dance floor magic. Are you kidding? Is that a joke? I don't really like, I don't know, like gel or shadow sticks or stuff like that. So we're going to take this out and get the plastic off of it. Wow. Okay. I'm just curious to see how over the next few minutes these are going to perform on the back of my hands, because that'll give me a little bit of insight as to what it'll do on my eyes. Okay. It says glitter. Ooh, that one looks more metallic. Okay. Oh, I just stuck it in there. I made a mess. Surprise, surprise. Ooh. Come on. Let's go. I don't know. Maybe I'll try these too with a look. With the Hip Top palette, maybe. I don't know. Alright, let's see. Okay, those are the 3 colors. Let's see if they smudge or dry down or what they do. Yeah, doesn't really say over here. Okay, so we've got that, and now we've got something in Bubble. What is this? The Lifestyle Company. 100% natural, temple rub, calming. Okay, so... Okay, so this is an eye mask. It's a tightening eye mask. $93? Really? Are you kidding? Smells like lavender. But there's other stuff in it. Alright, so it's very cooling. I'm just curious if I feel any tightness. I will let you know by the end of the video. So it's a roll-on. If it works, great. Okay, now I see Symbiosis London Hyaluronic Acid number 2 plus PUL, which is Polyolon, I don't know. Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask. Okay, wait. Did I get that other one? I'm sorry. I got that wrong. This here is... Wait a minute. Is an eye mask. It's to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This eye mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid, Pullulian, and shea butter, and works to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. $93. Oh, wow. Okay. So this little thing here, does it have a safety seal? Okay, come on. No safety seal. Let's try it on a different part of the arm. It comes out like a little cream. If that works, cool. I can't get the cap back on. I'm so excited. I love getting Boxyluxe. It's so exciting. Okay, let's rub this in. Okay. And then this here is the Lifestyle Company. It's $24. What's more relaxing than lavender? This temple rub, of course. Okay, so it's a super blend of oils that can help assist in relieving headache, stress, and anxiety. Ooh. I'm looking forward to trying this. Definitely. Okay. Now, what else do we have? Oh, iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. Oh, $55 value. Get out of town. Ooh, look at this. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Should we do some swatches? Yeah, let's do some swatches. Okay, my swatches aren't coming off so good here. It's very light. There they are. Can you see them? Got the 6 here. Okay, so what does this do? What do we have? Sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition. Blush shades that lift the face. How does blush lift the face? And give you that must-have lit from within glow and highlight shades for flattering candlelight radiance. $55, and it's a new launch. I like iconic London products. Last year I got that palette and I did a giveaway with it, so I'm going to be looking forward to trying this out. Now my choice item is what is left, and I chose the teeth whitening thing, although by the time I got to choice there wasn't a lot left. All right, so this here is the Butte Teeth Whitening Kit, the original Glam Smile Kit. Your Butte OG Smile Kit whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes. From binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe, Butte's mission is to accompany you in the clouds, elevating your self-care routine while maintaining angel status. You gotta love how they word this stuff. So it's like attractive to you. It has an $89 value. Okay, so really it's, you look on the back of it, it's got the gel part, this up here, you put the gel in there, which is this here, this pen, then you stick it on your teeth, and then you add the light to it, and it's supposed to whiten. I will definitely let you know how this works. We shall see. I'm curious. Okay, so that's everything that I got. I got the teeth whitening, which was my choice. I got the iconic London face palette. I got the temple oil, the tightening eye cream, which does feel a little tight over here, and it actually looks a little different. I don't know if you can pick that up or not, but okay. Then we got the threesome. Yeah, the threesome. Oh, by the way, let's see. Let's check these out. Yeah, they do smudge. They do smudge, so putting them on your eye. This is like a product I would use, and just like with the other shadows that come on the sticks, they're usually creamy like this. You want to use them when you like go to the pool or something. A lot of the times they'll stay on your eyes, or you're going to the beach, but at the same time, I don't know with these formulas, but that's what I used to use them for. Okay, what else? The Hip Dot palette, and then the Luxy brushes. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, and I will put the total value on the screen. So that was my Luxe. What was your choice item? What did you get? Put it in the comments down below, and then let me know. Would you like me to try all this on in a video? Because we can use the brushes, the Hip Dot palette, the face palette, and the teeth whitening all at one time. I love you guys so much. Thank you for taking time out of your day to spend a few minutes with me, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.